Good morning and welcome to the Morning Outlook. I'm Rachel Jones, live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. Now, the ASX 200 is anticipated to start trading lower today. Losses on Wall Street are a result of news that corporate heavyweight Apple was bracing for an economic slowdown. Their stock dropped over 2%. A rise in commodity prices could help to partially insulate ASX futures from these US losses. Now, the benchmark ASX 200 index closed 1.23% higher at 6,687 on Monday. Today, the market will be eagerly watching Michelle Bullock, the Deputy Governor of the RBA, as the minutes from this month's Reserve Bank policy meeting are scheduled to be released at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time and should provide more insight into the direction of interest rates. Philip Lowe, the Governor of the RBA, is also expected to speak on this matter. We'll bring you all the latest on this as soon as we get it. Now, looking to some business news from this morning now, and JB Hi-Fi today reports that sales momentum was strong throughout the year, with total sales up 3.5% to $9.2 billion. Online sales were up 52.8% to $1.6 billion, representing 17.6% of total sales. Group CEO Terry Smart says the benefits of having a strong multi-channel strategy were especially evident in the second half as COVID-19 restrictions eased and customers returned to shopping in-store whilst continuing to shop with them online. Now, Paladin Energy has decided to return the Langer Heinrich Mine located in Namibia to production. The first volumes are targeted for the March quarter of calendar year 2024. The decision to restart production at the mine is supported by strong uranium market fundamentals. Now, mobilisation of the project workforce is well advanced, with current activities focused on detailed engineering and design for process upgrades, material, and also the buying of equipment. Now, total project capital expenditure has increased to $118 million on a 100% project basis. The previous guidance was $87 million, and that's primarily driven by recent inflationary pressures across the project supply chain, brought forward power and water infrastructure works, and also increased owners' team costs. And finally, investment platform provider Hub24 has reported record annual net inflows of $11.7 billion, up 32% on the year prior, with platform net inflows of $2.5 billion for the quarter. Now, during the quarter, advisors have been focused on supporting their clients through recent market volatility, as well as ensuring they've met their regulatory obligations for ongoing advice fee constant requirements, which are now in force. The total number of advisors using the platform is up 13.8% on the previous period. Well, now it's time for a break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV.
Welcome back. I'm Rachel with the Morning Outlook report. Now, over in the US, the Dow Jones fell 0.69%. The S&P 500 was down 0.84% and the Nasdaq ended 0.76% lower. In the energy sector, ExxonMobil Corporation, their shares climbed 1.85%. Chevron Corp increased by 1.4% and Shell advanced 2.95%. However, Total Energies and a PetroChina company increased by 2.34% and 3.51% respectively. Over in Europe, and the Stoxx 50 rose 1%, the FTSE 100 gained 0.9%, the CAC surged 0.93%, and the DAX ended 0.74% higher. Now, after US President Joe Biden's visit to Saudi Arabia failed to bring back news of an increase in production, oil prices are up again above the $100 per barrel mark. Brent crude ended the day at $106.27 a barrel. That's up $5.11 or 5.1%. The US benchmark increased by 5.1% to $102.60. And at $1,710 per ounce for gold for the August delivery, finished $6.60. That's 0.4% higher. Well, that's all for our morning outlook report here on Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.